Most people think you need expensive tools, years of experience, or a full workshop to build something worth selling. And that's exactly why they never start. Meanwhile, simple handmade projects are selling online every single day. So these wood projects are super simple and easy and something that you're able to tackle over the weekend. This will require a minimum of skills, minimum of tools. Only thing that I needed for this particular project was a few screws, some wood, and a few instructions and guide for me to follow. Here's one of my favorites. These are lawn chairs that was super easy to build. Another idea are these picnic benches that are great for kids. So I searched on Pinterest for my next video and I wanted to do these nightstands that me and my wife both needed on each side of our beds. Now I found this off of Pinterest and I thought it would be great because we already needed some nightstands for the bed that I built. If you haven't seen that video, check it out. I also did a DIY wall, the 3D panels going around. It turned out nice. So my Saturday began by me going to Menards to pick out the wood that I would need for this project. So I chose to go up 6 inches, where this is just going to be a brace going across this nightstand, and then I'm going to have a brace going across the top that's going to support the tabletop. So I'm using wood glue along with some screws to fasten these together. This other board is going to be at the top for the support of the top of this nightstand. So normally I would sell these items on either Pinterest, eBay, Facebook Marketplace, or Amazon Prime. But I'm going to keep these items for me and my wife's nightstands. All of my material came up to $50, and I got 2 nightstands out of $50, $25 each. Drop in the comments below if you've done any project like this or similar, or if you have any tips or ideas of something next that I can do. If you have not subscribed to this channel yet, consider becoming a subscriber so you never miss any new content or tips or DIY lessons.